Okay, so this is our sweet little box that we're going to be making, and I'm very excited to put all these together. So let me go ahead and get all of the supplies we need for one box. The box itself, this just came from Walmart. It's just their pin and gear, and I don't really remember the price, but I want to say it was like $1, maybe $2. It was quite inexpensive. It's clear. I needed 7. I just went ahead and got 7, one for each teacher. And it's just your standard everyday pencil box. I also did a print and cut. These are composition notebook, composition covers. And I just put Teacher Survival Kit here in the middle, attached it, flattened it, and then did print and cut. So that's all these are. And I have a variety of colors. So you already saw the purple one. We have a black and a gold, a pink and a blue, and then I have a green and a pink. I will put the link to the place where I got this SVG, and then I will list the fonts down in the description as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these going. I'm going to just use some basic rubbing alcohol. And I'm going to clean off the front here. Let's see. You know, let's just go ahead and do the basic black. These are already cut all the way around the perimeter. I did do leave bleed on, by the way, just so you know. But I'm going to just pull this off of here, and this is just going to help with alignment. And then for something like this, this is one big rectangle. So what I like to do is, let me grab my little weeding tool. I'm going to just very carefully pull down where it is cut. There we go. And that way we can get it off of this backing. This seems to not have cut that top piece for some reason. Maybe I had it misaligned in my Cricut. Okay, so let's try that. See if we can get this pulled up. There we go. That was an easy fix. Okay, so now that this is cleaned off, the width of this vinyl image is the same width as this. So I really just want to come in here and kind of decide where I want the placement vertically. Okay. So I just folded back a little bit of the carrier sheet. I'm going to make sure this is nice and taut on there. And then I'm going to very slowly pull off the rest of the carrier sheet, just smoothing it down as we go. And then I'm just rubbing my finger over the whole surface, making sure that everything is down and that there's no bubbles. And I think this did a pretty good job. Okay, so there's our box. Okay, so the items that are going to go in the box. Okay, I purchased some Kleenex packages, and then I have just, you know, a little handful of Band-Aids, a mouthwash bottle, flossers, sticky notes, hand sanitizer, a lotion, ChapStick, some mints, and you really could put anything you want in here. I thought of doing all kinds of things like a nail file, maybe some, like a little stain stick, some travel medication. I mean, you really could just go to town. I also got a pack of pens and highlighters, so I'm just putting one of each in there. I sublimated on these large paper clips, so I used the fusible ink, and I just put that here on that, and I'll have a video for this coming out very soon. So we're going to have this in there. That'll be fun. And then, of course, the stickers. All right, I love these. So just as a reminder, these are Kiss Cut stickers. Okay, and I made these on the Cricut Joy Extra. And they're just for the teacher planners, and that's why they're quite small. And I just went through the school calendar and pulled all of the dates and stuff, and then being a teacher myself, I have things like grades due, staff meeting, parent conferences, report cards, progress reports. So just kind of a little a little sum of things to put in there. And then I do have some cards. So I have like a greeting card that I'll be putting in here. And then this will be ready for the teachers for the first day of school. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you were inspired to maybe come up with something on your own for back to school for teachers to let them know that you're thinking about them. This is super easy. You don't have to be elaborate. Teachers actually just love to be at least thought of. So a nice card, maybe a $5 gift card, or maybe just something like this, but not a whole lot of things in it. Even a pencil pouch with like some fun pins. Just things to think about. So anyway, make sure that you do take the time to appreciate the teachers in your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until I see you in the next card or craft, as always, have an amazing day and happy crafting.
Thank you all so much for watching today. I'm so glad that you can join me at my craft table. If you're not already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when new videos arrive. Have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.